Okay guys, this is how much I have on Popo for today. I have $104.24, as you guys can see here. And for today, Popo is paying 1,650 naira per dollar. So that is to say, if you have $10, you're going to be getting 16,500 naira. And for me to have this particular amount, which is the $104.24, I'll be getting over 160 something thousand naira or 170 something thousand naira, and of which is a big plus for me. So first of all, I've gotten a whole lot of comments whereby people be like, oh, Sonia, that explanation you're doing on Popo, we really do not understand, and we can't make money on Popo. Or some persons personally told me that Popo is not paying, okay, and that's why I'm showing the proof now. And I've also shown countless withdrawal payments that I've been able to withdraw from Popo directly to my local bank account on some of my Popo videos as well. Okay, first, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's with Sonia, and I am back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If it is the first time seeing, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just dive right into this video. So one of the major challenge when it comes to Popo life that I've noticed is a lot of people don't know where to recharge coins, or they say, oh, Popo coins is so expensive, and because Popo coins is so expensive, they can't even recharge to be able to play game, to be able to gamble, to be able to do exchange and upgrade their level so that they can enjoy other privileges, to be able to join their Popo VIP and every other stuff that is supposed to fetch them enough money on Popo. And I begin to get worried, and after making some of my research, this particular app, I've done this video before about this particular app called Coco DP, and I'll be putting like a picture of it here, Coco DP. And a lot of people that have been using that Coco DP to recharge, they have really been thanking me, and that is why I am still coming to introduce to you Coco DP. Coco DP is an app where you can recharge coins cheap. When I mean the cheapest coins, if you don't know, for you to be able to buy coins on Popo, the least you can buy is $10, and the highest amount you can buy is $200. And a lot of people that have introduced Coco DP for, they've been able to thank me and tell me that, oh, Sonia, this Coco DP is just the best. And that is why I am here to also introduce it back to you, so that you will know the cheapest and affordable way you can buy coins and then start making money on Popo, at least, even if it's just $100, even if it's $50, even if it's $200, so that you can also have something at the end of the day. So I'll be going in with my screen record, and I'll be putting it here or here, whichever one you guys know the way I usually do it, and I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about Coco DP. And just for you to know, you can check Coco DP in my comment section. I'm going to be pinning it in my comment section, and I'm also going to be putting the link, which is my personal link, in the description box, so you can click on the link for easy assessment. It is very easy for you to access it with the link. So I'll start my screen record, and then we'll go into details on Coco DP. So right now my screen record is all started, and once you get into the interface of Coco DP, this is exactly how it look like, exactly what you're seeing up here. And you can see that there is Popo Life, there is Bigo Life, there is Star Maker, there is Up Life, there is Migo Life, and there is Nomi Life, TV, there is Emo. Like, and the good part about this Coco DP as well, you can also play games as well and then win vouchers and every other stuff, but we're just going to rely on this. So once you click on the link from my description box or on my comment section, the first thing you need to do is to check that your country is going to be, you're going to pick the appropriate country. So if you don't have your own country listed here, just like Nigeria, that is my country, you don't have to worry for that. Coco DP is trying to like upgrade the system so that they can be able to put out more countries here for people to be able to recharge coins as cheap as possible. Okay, so now if you check your country, you pick your country. For now, I am using the country Kenya here, as you guys can see here. Okay, so that's the country that I am using. And if so many of you want to also buy these coins, you are in another country but you want to buy these coins, I'm going to be explaining all of that in another video. Okay, so after getting the country, like me that I already have Kenya, then the next thing you're going to be doing is to log in with your Google account. Okay, your Google account. So once you've logged in with your Google account, you're just going to go straight to Popo Live, because we're talking about Popo Live, so we're going to focus more on Popo Live. Once you log in as Popo, once you click on Popo Live, it is going to load, and these are places you can see cheap and affordable coins for you to be able to buy at the cheapest. When I mean the cheapest rates, because for the person that has been buying for me from Kenya, the person told me that nah, this is way cheaper than where you're buying from the app, and that's why I'm still doing this review, like I've said in the earlier stage of this video. So now you are going to select which of the coins that you want to buy. You can see that whichever one that I click, the amount is changing automatically. And the good part about this Coco DP I love so much is if you buy coins, they are going to be adding some certain amount of coins for you as well. So you're going to be getting like what we call double. Okay, so after selecting, it is going to give you this money where you're seeing this mobile money in Kenya shillings. Okay, so right now it's showing me that it's 4,024 in Kenya shillings. And if we calculate this amount, maybe we are going to do the calculation in another separate video so that we don't get to waste much time in this particular video. So after selecting and it calculates for you like this, the next thing you are going to ensure that you are doing is to make sure you put in your Popo ID. Okay, 3422724. This is my own Popo ID. Okay, and once you make sure you put in this your Popo ID, the next thing you're going to do is to slide in like this, and you're going to be choosing your payment method. Okay, and if you read what they wrote down here, they said in order for us to provide you with better service, please kindly leave your email address. Okay, so if you don't want to put your email address, it is left for you, but for me, I put my email address as you're seeing here. Okay, but I'm going to be covering it, you guys know, of course. So after putting your email address and everything, the next thing that you're going to be doing first is to go back and check again if you have entered your UID number correctly, and you're going to recheck this because here they said attention, make sure to fill in the UID number correctly. Okay, and after that, you are going to click on buy. Okay, so if you click on buy, it is going to what? They are going to credit your account directly, which is your Popo coin account. Okay, the last one I buy, so let me open my Popo account so that you guys will see the last one that I got. Okay, so the last one I got right now, I am having 5,574 coins remaining, where you guys are seeing these coins here. Okay, and how do I usually buy these coins? So I check for the country, and I know that I have some of my friends and family in Kenya, and I have to tell them that I want to buy coins, and then I send them my ID. Then as well, they calculate the money for me in Nigerian rates, and then I'm going to transfer the money to them, and then they are going to exchange it to Kenya shillings, and then they are going to purchase the coins there, and then the coins is going to be credited to my own account, which is my Popo account, as you guys are seeing here. Now these coins, you can use it to play game, you can use it to gamble, you can use it to do exchange, to upgrade your level for special privileges. You can also use this coin to like join the VIP level so that you can be gaining more on Popo. Okay, and that was how I was able to do it. Now another good opportunity, let me end this screen record. Another good opportunity I love about this particular Coco DP is if you want to start selling coins and then start making more money on Popo. You know, a lot of people sell coins there and make money on Popo. Is an opportunity for you to use the Coco DP to get coins at affordable rates and then come sell to us, come sell to people that want to buy coin. If you want me to do videos on how you can be buying and selling coins on Popo, let me know in the comment section. I'll be showing you how you can sell coins on Popo as an individual on Popo. Okay, so people are using this particular Coco DP for a lot of business, and that is why I be like, I need to also tell my family and friends that Coco DP is an app for you to be able to recharge coins on any of these applications that they have their live stream for you to be able to do a lot and make money. So use this opportunity and thank me later. And I've gotten countless questions where a lot of people be like, we are not seeing your agency. What agency are you talking about? King Richie's agency. And I'll be leaving the ID as well in the screen, as you guys are going to be seeing right now, or I'll be popping the ID here as well. All you need to do is to join King Richie's agency and tell him that, oh, I joined your agency from Sonia, from Vibe with Sonia. He's going to teach you what to do. He's going to welcome you, give you your first welcome coins. He is going to also hold you hand in hand and also direct you on how you can be successful on Popo. So if you want to be successful on Popo, this is an opportunity for you. Don't say Vibe with Sonia is not disbursing information. I love to disburse whatsoever that is making money for me, and you guys know my logo now. Anything where they bring small money, I know they joke, I they hold on with my tight hand. Anyways, if you have any videos you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section, because my job here is as you they talk or as you they ask, I deliver to your doorstep. Okay, and if you have been making money on Popo, let me know in the comment section as well. If you've not registered on Popo at all, my ID is also there. My Popo ID is also in the comment section and will also be in the description box for you to be able to register and thank me later. later. So thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that, for that, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.